Well, it's a nice day outside. Whatever this is. It makes a lot of noise out in the nighttime. In the wind. I need to communicate to someone in that room. Daddy! Teddy. No one's in the room. I just noticed. I'm home alone. So, anyone got Discord? Anyone? Hey, you guys have Discord? I don't even see them. They're probably thinking I'm crazy. Do those people have yo, squirrels, do you have Discord? You have Discord? Hold on. Man, it's very cold. Oh my god, there's a squirrel. I need to call 911. I need to call 911.